Hello, I'm Sharvin Sivaragu. I'm 19, age 19. Play position center. Play for NS Matrix. I come from Penang. Then last year only I joined Matrix. Last year the MBNS 2020 was my first game with NS. After that, after so long, after like 1 year, yeah, it's already 1 year. We play again this 2021 MBNS. So after so long, like it's like nothing. How you say like it was boring. Only training every time. Only training. Like it was boring to us. Then no any adventure or anything for us. Then after so long, we started to play again. But last MCU, didn't go back to my home because I was staying here with Coach Jeff, the head coach of the NS Matrix, until April, until the September. Yeah, I trained with Coach Jeff, another 3 youngsters. So after so long, we train. Now only we get to chance to play this MBNS tournament. Challenges like how we say the environment, the game situation, game environment, like how we say getting so nervous for me. Yeah.
How about the teams? Are they challenging?
Yeah, team challenging because most of my teammates, all the senior players, all the national players, they all different level. Compared to me, they all different level. They have more knowledge to basketball, the game situation, all. I like to thank to NS Matrix to give chance to play, and also my coaches, Coach Jeff and Coach Lee, and also Coach Kin, our gym trainer.